Hey, it's Harris from addonsuite.com. If you are looking for a really fun team building activity with coworkers or something different to spice up your next training session, I got something really interesting to show you today. It is a Jeopardy style template in Google Slide, which you can download for free and customize in a matter of minutes. So let me show you how to play, and then I can show you how to download or where to get this template and how to customize this template for your own purposes. All right, so let's get started. All right, so to play, you'll be in Google Slides, and this will be an extension. So I'll show you how to download this extension later. So let me start playing first. So let's start the game. So as you can see, this will be your game board. All right, so there are 5 different categories that you can choose from. So let's say if you pick one category, it's going to show you 5 different buttons here so that you can pick the category. So yeah, so before we continue, let me just hide all of this, Google Slides menus here. So we don't need them. So yeah, so it looks better this way. All right. So yeah, so let's pick one. Let's say office supplies for 200. All right. So this question is, this item, often found in drawers, mysteriously disappears faster than you can say stapler. All right. So what is it? So let's reveal the answer. So what are pens? All right. So that's a simple one. So let's say your team A got the answer, and then you want to give them the score. So you can click here. All right. So once you give the score to team A, you can go back to your game board. All right. So you can see here that 200 is now gone, and the points here is updated, just like this one. All right. So let's say you want to pick this particular category again, office supplies. Then you will see that 200 is now disabled or disappeared, right? So you can pick another, or just let's say meetings, right? All right. So let's say we pick 500 this time. All right. So this type of meeting happens without prior notice and often catches people unprepared. So what is the answer? What is an impromptu meeting? All right. So let's say team B got it. You give them the score. So that's 500 points. All right. So let's go back to game board. So yeah, so now this one is hidden. So yeah, so basically you go on to do this. So let's do one more so that we can add the scores up here so you can see. So let's say in IT department. Let's do 200. All right, so this error message usually means you're about to spend a lot of time on the phone with tech support. My guess is, what is the blue death of screen, or blue screen of death, or something like that, right? Let's see. Yeah, blue screen of death. What is the blue screen of death? And then let's say we're going to give that to team A, 400 points total, and then go back to game board. So yeah, so now this one is hidden, and then this is now 400 points. So yeah, so that's how you play the game. So next, let me just show you how you can download this, and then let me show you how to customize this. All right. So how do you download this app and play, Jeopardy or this game in Google Slides? So let me just show you quickly. So it's gonna be under extensions and add-ons. Get add-ons, and then you're gonna get this add-on called Question Quest Game. All right, so let's do that. Let's get add-on. So once you're here, you can type in Question Quest Game. All right, enter. So yeah, so this is the game. When you click that, it's gonna show you this one, and then you're gonna see install button here, install button, uninstall, because I already installed it on my system. Or you can go directly to workspace google.com marketplace, right? So if you come here, then you can type in Question Quest Game, right? And then enter. You will see that here. And you click that, you will see an install button here. In my case, it's uninstalled since I already have it installed, right? So you click that install, and then you're gonna authorize it a little bit. And then once you do that, you're just gonna need to refresh your Google Slides, so the menu items will show up under extensions here. So to configure and to play, you can just pick one of this stuff, right? So let's just show you the play. So so that's the play button. So that's how you download it, the app. Now, how do you get this template, this specific template? All right. So let me create a new slides. All right. And then let me go to extensions. All right. And then go to question quest game and then do configure. So once I'm here in the configure, the initial setup here will show you that there's a workplace questions here. So you pick the workplace questions and then just click import. All right. So once it imports it, you will be able to see all the slides included now in your Google Slides. So there you have it, all of this already pre-configured and all the questions here, right? So how would you configure something like this? All right, so towards the end of this import, there's gonna be a link to the spreadsheet. All right, so when you click this spreadsheet, it's gonna open up a screen like this, and it's gonna show you all the questions for this particular template, right? So you just click use template here, and then you have your own copy of Office Jeopardy Question Quest game template. All right. So you can ignore this for now, but if you want a better kind of like leaderboard for teams and individual students, if you're a teacher, you can use this. But for now, let me close this. So here, you can actually just change the questions here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to change this question here. Just retain all this category here. That's the most important. You can change the point if you want to. Let's say instead of 100, I'm going to change it to 150 for office supplies. And then let's say I'm going to change this question to, hello there, here's your first question, or something like that. And then the first answer. And then once you're done, changing all of this, you just copy this URL here and then go into your slides and then, put the URL here on step 3. All right. And then do an import. So it's going to import all that questions, and then it's now done. So go back here and you will see your first question, and office supplies is 150 is right here. And then this is 150 now. It's updated, right? So let's just try to play so that you can see the answer as well. So let me see here. Play. All right, so let's start. I'm not gonna hide this anymore, just so that you can see. All right, so let's do office supplies for 150 here. All right, so hello there. Here's your first question, and then if you do reveal answer, then you'll see the first answer, right? Just like in our spreadsheet. And then if you're gonna give the score, it's gonna be 150. And then let's go back to the main page or the game board. So so you'll see that it's 150 here. So so that's how you customize this particular template. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, in the comments below. So if you like this video, or don't forget to share, like, or subscribe so that you'll see our next videos when we upload them. All right. Once